All right, we got some rubber from some really worn out A-frame cushions on this engineered quartz table. You can see it doesn't really come off unless you scrape it really hard with the, gets this black rubber goo. So we're going to take our easy scrub, put some right on a rag here. And watch it disappear. You can also take some crusty stuff off the top, the face, without affecting the finish. No spots, no cloudy areas, no dull finish, and all that rubber is gone. Easy Scrub is safe for engineered quartz, natural stone, glass, and a lot of other surfaces to get off residue, buildup, chunky food stuff, whatever you need it for. Water spots off glass. It works, and you can get it at easystonecare.com.